Hi everybody, how are you all? Today I'm going to make a beautiful red flower out of waste material, best out of waste. So you will take a red fabric out of the shopping bag fabric, you will cut it in square shape, double it, then again make it double and make a triangle like this. And then you will cut it in a round shape like a petal. So cut it in the round shape like this with the help of scissors, and it will give a petal shape. You will need just these petals, about 5 to 10. So it's up to you how much bigger flower you need. You can see it's already giving a flowery look. So you will take a small foaming sheet or cardboard circle, and you will need hot glue. You will keep pasting these petals. So you will need about 5 to 10 of these round flowery petals, and you will need hot glue. You will keep pasting in this sequence. You keep pasting like this. Later on you have to make the petals small to give it a flowery look to this art piece. You will make a triangle and then you paste it like this. You keep pasting and then you make it small with the help of turning on and hot glue, and then it will give a flowery look. Keep using hot glue, keep using the petal piece, and keep pasting it like this. And be careful from the hot glue. You can see I'm making the petals short and small so it can give a flower look. So it's already giving a flowery look. You paste more petals that you have made. Keep pasting rest of the petals and make some small petals in the middle. Join it like this with the help of hot glue and paste it. So your flower is almost ready, and turn it like this and your Jisso flower is ready. So for going with the trend, if you have to wear this on your hand, on your finger, you have to use an elastic thread. So I'm using elastic thread. I'll show you this one. So this is elastic thread. You will cut the small piece and tie a knot about very little so it can get fixed in your finger. Use hot glue and paste it like this, and it will be dry after some time. So you can see now it's dry and it's elastic. You can wear it in your hand and do the Jisso dance and make it for your loved ones and for yourself, and enjoy this beautiful craft. Make the same flower again and enjoy it. Wear it like this in your hand and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Bye.